All right, guys, this is Emmett again, the Alpha Builder, and I'm sitting right here with Daniel, and you guys can, we'll get you, there we go, right there, and he's with EnviroCare, and guys, I always use these guys to come in and do my Centricon system at the end. I don't like to put poisons on the ground with the pre-treat, plus a lot of builders don't do that pre-treat right. You know, you have to do a certain amount of applications to get it right. They think you just put it on there and just let it be, and that's just not the case. So I do the Centricon, that works really good. I'm gonna get over here and it's like, but guys, we've been having a different issue over here, man. Me and Daniel, so Daniel showed up, and this house right here is new construction, but these Asian beetles almost took over. I mean, they were like, man, they were like all upstairs. It was like swarms of them. I came and vacuumed some, but Daniel can tell you a little bit where these things come from. What's going on with them?
I think they're coming from, they're definitely coming from overseas. They were brought over to, help eat the bad insects for row crops.
I should have put that on, clip that on you right quick. Like, and so we're learning this. I'm learning how to do all this YouTube stuff, man.
So they were from overseas, and they're here to help eat the bad insects for row crops. But we're just kind of seeing them get in the attics, and they'll come through windows and garage doors, all that kind of stuff.
Hey, do they bite? My son was telling me about.
Yes, they do bite. They do bite, and they leave like a kind of a weird odor. They can stain.
Oh man,
like rugs, drapes.
Can you smell them? You can smell them actually, can you?
Yes, I can.
Oh man. So what are they gonna do? Are they gonna mess around and get with it's ladybugs, right?
Yeah.
Are they gonna get with the ladybugs that's here, and are they gonna start having a hybrid race or something like that, and then we're gonna get the worst of both worlds? You think?
That is possible. That's possible. Hopefully not, but hopefully not.
Hey, have you had to come to new construction build jobs like this right here lately?
Yes. Every week.
Serious?
Every
Builders?
week. Yes. Every week. Every week.
Jeez, man, is that bad?
I probably get just myself, I probably get 10 to 15 jobs a week.
So what do they like? Where do they like to go? What do these beetles like to be at?
They like to be up higher. So if you live on a hill, or if you got a tall house, 3 stories, if your house is a lighter colored house, like white, or something like that.
That's my house. But you came and treated my house, man. I hadn't. It's a whole lot better, man. I tell you what, man, you gotta do a great job getting them things knocked out the way, man. And guys, if let me see, if anything else, guys, I choose Centricon. I think that's the best case scenario on the treatment for termites. Alabama is a high humidity area. We have a lot of the infestation of termites is great here. It's big here in Alabama. So we really got to take care of that. Keep these, because we build our house out of wood. And so these termites, they get in, man. They can eat your house from within, man. But anything else you wanna add? Let me see. You guys got a number and everything. Well, I'm gonna do the truck here, guys.
Yeah.
So man, hey man, I appreciate you, man.
Yes,
and I'm gonna tell Kevin to check it out.
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate you.
Thanks, man. Thanks for coming out here and knocking this thing out the way for me, man. You got his gear right there, man. Hey, you take it easy, man.
You too.
Once again, guys, if you can, I tell you what, man, these are the guys right here. Enviro Pest Control, man, I've probably been with these guys for years, man. These guys, they pre-treat all my stuff. We got all kind of stuff, pests, termite, mosquitoes. Y'all don't deal with any rodents and stuff like that, do you?
We do. We do mice and rats.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Do y'all have a lot of that going on?
We do. We do quite a few.
Man, my office, we got a lot of rats and snakes. Yeah, those is it rat snake? Them things get really big, man. Man, we had a couple of them in my office, man. My shop. So I got a big shop. It's an older building.
Yeah.
And we got a lot of rats there, man. So those snakes are getting there trying to get a hold to them.
I got you.
But y'all don't do snakes, do you?
No, we don't. But we can get rid of the mice, rats, and then hey, the snakes are gone.
What about squirrels? You know, food squirrels. I had to call them rodent people, right? Trap them.
Yes, like Critter Ritter,
Okay, critter ritter.
they do squirrels and all
Okay, good deal. Hey man,
So-
appreciate you again, man.
Yes, sir.
You take it
Yes,
easy,
sir.
buddy. All right,
that.
buddy.
Good seeing you.
All right, see you later. And guys, this is the way.